the very first thing that an effective solution needs to start with is a very, very powerful and an in-depth view or review of your health history and your blood chemistry, what's going on in your body, to see, one, what is contributing to the problem and what may get in the way of you actually getting better. You know, no one ever stops to ask the question, does your body need anything to help it do its job? Does it have everything that it needs to do its job? So that's the first thing an effective solution starts with, and it is this review of what's going on in your body, because before anybody suggests any kind of medical treatment, they should truly understand what's going on with your own health, especially if we're going to rely on it to help you heal. So the first step to a unique solution is review of the body. The second is you have to remove what's not supposed to be there. And typically people have chronic inflammation and you need to measure that inflammation. This is something a lot of people don't know you can actually do, is you can actually measure inflammation, and there's different types of inflammation. So you need to know which types of inflammation are specifically damaging to nerves so you know what you're dealing with. So you have to remove the inflammation. The next step is replace what's missing. There's not been one person that's come in our office over the last decade that did not have some major nutrient deficiencies that are required in order for nerves to heal. And so if you're going to be working on a nerve, and no matter what kind of therapy you're using, it needs to include a replacement piece to replace what's been missing from your body. And the last phase is to actually restore function. So you need to have some type of therapy that has clinically proven results to restore normal function. And then once you have all four of those, now you have a very unique solution when it comes to neuropathy. So you have to review, you have to remove, you have to replace, and then you have to restore. And that's what the peak proprietary process is all about, is bringing those four pieces together to bring together a unique approach to your neuropathy. So I hope that helps you understand why so many people suffer with neuropathy and typical treatments fail. Because the first thing is you got to know what it is that you're dealing with, because if you want to know if a solution is going to work, you got to know what the problem is. So hope that helps. The next step is to set up an evaluation with our medical team. So you can call or click on the link below and we can get started on that process. We look forward to helping you. And more importantly, we look forward to helping you at least just start the right process of finding answers. Have a great day.